examples of like safety net options that, if you're a high performing rep, you can say, I know you're feeling uncertain around this, but here's some ideas around, making you feel more comfortable with this decision.
I think the first step here is don't forget about the power of just simple expectation setting. It actually turns out of all the skills in our model, it was the single biggest impact that you had if you were to execute that expectation setting well. I think in many respects, the concept of expectation setting is sort of like a no duh. Like, of course, we should be doing this. What happens though in practice is that we do it too late. We wait until the buyer is already set in their mind about what they want to do and what they're trying to achieve and what they think is possible, and then we start trying to ratchet back. There is real value in from the beginning making sure that the buyer's expectations are grounded in practical, achievable outcomes, things that feel like are doable, which is tough for that buyer who gets really excited. I think especially true in sort of a true challenger sale where you've done your job to disrupt their point of view and get them excited about this new potential vision, which can feel very transformative and super invigorating. But we also have to be careful about making sure that we're at least helping them understand the vision in a way such that it feels like achievable in bit by bit, if you will. So that's the first thing, is expectations setting done well, I think, can feel like a safety net for the buyer because you're helping them understand why this is achievable and how this is achievable.